Okay guys, this is a secret hammer. This hammer could turn you into a superhero. I'm going to step out to see how Gotham City is doing. But you guys keep an eye on this hammer, okay? Whoa! Oh, the power hammer. Just what I've been looking for. I don't think you guys will be needing this anymore. What are we gonna do, Batman? What we always do. Get back what is ours. Hey, boss. Oh, looks like you have the power hammer. From my understanding, I can change you into anything. Boss, don't do that. It might be a little funny to see you turn into this. Hey, buddy, old pal. Oh, jeez. Hand that back over, Mr. Freeze. What? Oh, not you again. Oh good, everybody's occupied. This is my chance to take the hammer away. Hey Hulk, take care of things over here. I'm gonna go get Mr. Freeze and the hammer. Oh, I think we got rid of everybody. Hulk smash! Well Hulk, looks like we meet again. Hulk smash! Not if I get you first. Oh no you don't. You're not going anywhere.
Systems are now fully operational.
Give me the hammer, Iceman. Never. Eject. Here I am. If you can catch me, you can get the hammer. That won't be a problem, Iceman. I told you, don't match for me. Did somebody say they want a match? I'm game. Wait a minute, is that you, Sonic? What are you doing here? We could do this the easy way or the hard way then, Mr. Freeze. Uh-oh. Oh no, don't take the hammer away. Leave me alone. I'll take care of it, Robin. Gotcha. Give me that hammer, Sonic. I don't think so, Thanos. It doesn't belong to you. Uh-oh. Well, Hulk, it looks like we got all the bad guys. Now it's time to lock them up. Hey boys, take him in. Good work guys. We have the hammer back and we have the villains off the streets. Hey, that's my car. Bring it back.